Right. Hey friends, so it's like 2 a.m. We can't sleep, jet lag and stuff. So we ordered some food. Sunnie's still awake too. I think it's like what? Like 5 for y'all, 6 for y'all in the US Eastern time. So what I grabbed today was we got some kebabs and like this fry thing. And then I also got a euro because, you know. So we got all this stuff and it was, I think, $15 after I tipped the guy like $2 or 2 euro. So yeah, check it out. Say hey, Sunnie. Okay. So here is basically this, but with fry on top of fries, and also made got a euro. It's called a Philly euro, so it's like chicken and French fries because they be making fun of us. So yeah, we found it.
Okie doke size, guys. Size. So we didn't really do much today.
We did nothing.
I mean, I edited and stuff, but we just got up really late. And I think everybody just needed to catch up on some sleep. So we ordered from a place in Greece called Big Think on an app, which is like a food delivery service app called eFood. And we ordered this like last night at midnight too. Ooh, I'll include the clips from that because Tamon actually recorded. Oh, he recorded when he opened it up last night. I'm gonna include clips of that too. But yeah, so we are about to eat. Look at everything, y'all. I love me some Greek food. I love Greek food so much. It's so fresh and so wonderful and so filling. And the amount of, oh my god, it's tzatziki sauce. I love this stuff, yo. I could literally just dip chips in there and eat it. And I think it's just like Greek yogurt, cilantro, some sort of herb. But yeah, so we're about to wake Sunnie up and then we're gonna eat dinner and go back to bed.
Your toes. Good, man.
Bounce, Sunnie. Go, mama. Go, Sunnie. Go, Sunnie. Go, Sunnie. Go, mama. Go, Sunnie. Go. Woo! Good morning, friends. It's beach day. So, how beautiful is outside? Adjust. Beautiful day. This will be our first day going to the beach since being here. And I am super excited. I think Alamos Beach is the closest beach. And honestly, going there is fine with me because it'll be like we're revisiting all the spots that we came to the first time. Yeah, before we go any further into this video, make sure you guys like and subscribe to keep up with our journey now that we have moved to Greece. And yeah, make sure you tune in, turn your post notifications on because we are posting either every day or every other day. As of right now, I've been posting on YouTube every day. So if I can keep up that momentum, then you guys will keep getting the consistent content on a daily basis. Today we are finally back recording on the camera instead of recording on my phone. Okay, now baby's about to get the Uber and we're about to be on our way. We're a little behind schedule because the stroller was found and it's getting dropped off between 4 and 9. So we were trying to make it back by 2, but it's already 12. So I guess the plan is to try to make it back by 3. But it really just depends on how it goes. Really, it's based on Sunnie. So if she's like having a bunch of fun, then maybe we'll stay a little bit longer until like 2:30. But if she's just like tired out, which she just might be, then we'll still head back at 2. I think a few hours at the beach is fine, especially considering that it's so close. It won't be our last time. It won't be our last time going. So yeah, we're about to get the Uber now. Don't he look super cute? I can't wait to finish up these sleeves. My phone for now. Okay. I guess we're gonna go in here. The beach water. Sunnie good and tired now. All right, that's good. Tomorrow's gonna be so freaking toned by the time we leave here, y'all, because that hill ain't no joke. And he do it at this point like twice a day. So much for the shower you just took.
I'm still fresh, I'm so clean.
Oh yeah? Well, let's go see what you got. Sunny's bouncing. Bounce, 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 bounce. Where's the stuff, huh? This looks different. Is this different? It's a new. Really?
It's a different person that made it. She made our first one.
Cheese. Are you just gonna put these things out in front of me or something?
Well, this is the new presentation. $20.
We also got some sweet treats for us to try. I'm excited because the last time we came here, we had sweet stuff. Last time we came here, we got sweet stuff. It was super sweet. So let's see.
So yeah, the pharmacies be closed on Sunday. There's a lot of shit going on.
All right, guys, so we are downtown right now, and we are looking for a place to eat because we are pretty effing hungry. But we want not like a sandwich thing. We trying to get like an actual like dinner, like rice and potatoes. We saw one place, but it was kind of high. Oh, I thought they had a double stroller, but they don't. It was just a really high stroller.
I love that the menu is right here.
Yeah. You want to check this place? There's brunch menus today. There's a lot of brunch menus today.
They're done selling brunch.
I know, I'm just saying that all the menus have, they put out their brunch thing. Well, they got, hi.
Just to inform you, because we have a problem with the kitchen today, we have only pizza, salads, and some appetizers.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. It's very competitive.
What?
Huh? The food.
Yeah.
Like, very much like, snag them up.
Meat potatoes. So they got minced beef potatoes for $8.80. You get pork gyros and beef. All that is.
I kind of want to keep looking for rice.
Okay. Okay, baby. Some more salads. Yeah, we really can't find nothing with rice. We are really on the hunt. Last time I kept putting my hand over the mic. Where is it at? Right here?
I think so.
We need to get a tripod.
That's what you want to get to, right?
Absolutely. It will make it way easier to like open it, close it, start it, stop it, you know.
Here we go. I don't know.
You see rice there? They may have an outside menu right there. What'd you say?
So her little bullshit.
Uno na paso.
We're fucking this way?
Push them shit. We might have to go back to where we started.
It's fine, baby. That's why we brought the stroller, right? So we do what we need to do today.
Actually, I'm already liking it so far.
Yeah, with the stroller? Yeah, I don't regret bringing it at all. I feel like we walked up this way before last time we came here because it's uphill.
Maybe this is, oh no. That was by H&M when we came in and seen all the lights and stuff.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's better. It was literally on the wrong thing. I need to put it on auto.
This nigga has no legs.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they closed.
Oh.
You want to see if there's one in here?
Tripod? You want me to just run in and look? Cases and car holder, it's really stuff for phones.
Yeah, they got no. They should definitely have a pharmacy. Yeah.
Don't get sick on a Sunday.
Yeah, right. Yeah, so well.
All right, you guys, I was just trying to give you a view of where we're walking to, but I think I'm gonna come back to you guys when we find something to eat.
Boom.
Oh, maybe we found something to eat.
Sorry,
Thirsty?
about the water.
No. I'm sorry, honey. I did not bring the water. I forgot it. Sorry.
I'm upset with you. The remainder of the trip.
Well, Muffin.
About the water myself.
No, I was just gonna say that you should pick a place to eat and then you can have whatever water you want. Somebody collected rainwater in that water bottle right there. Oh, you know what? I think that those swirly things is meringue. Oh. You want it?
No, I'm trying to think what I want.
Oh. Bubble gum, strawberry, yogurt. Okay, babe's getting the gelato. Today was so fun. Ooh. Yeah. You give me some? Thank you. Here comes the gelato man.
You said strawberry. So you don't like this?
Okay, what is it? You wanna go sit over there? Oh, this is good.
Record you, record me. Record me. Record me. Yeah, shake it. Yeah, come on, baby. Yeah, baby. Alright friends, so we're heading to the cafe. We're gonna grab us some breakfast and coffee. I usually give Sunnie something free. Hopefully they don't today. And she is off of the wall. Not really, I don't really care that you're anything for it. I'm just joking. Uh-oh, come on baby. It's always these orange shoes. Come on. 200 megabit download. Upload 28 euro. I get more like 3,000 of them. Or 1,000 rather. I get a gigabit. Gigabit. And here is the they have line security. Come on, baby. Come here. Sweetness. Yeah. Come here. I love you. Give me. Oh. Yeah, look good. Which one you want? Yeah, what do you want? Love you. Let me just love you. So y'all, we are in here at the cafe. Can you say cafe? Cafe. You pronounce coffee in Greek cafes. So yeah, we're just about to get some Freddo cappuccinos and a few breakfast snack pastry things that we be getting. I'll show them to you here in a second, but that's where the Freddos are made. That's where the Freddos are made, and this is the breakfast stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna get today. We always get ready to spend a couple of something, get something different today. Good morning. 2 Freddo cappuccino? This is the spanakopita. Very good. I'm probably gonna get one of these here. What is it? Whatever that round thing is back there. Don't touch me. Come on, sweetie. Yeah. Come here. Don't go back there. Go, son. Go, son. Yes, son. Go, son. Go, son. Go, son. Go, son. Son. They have mad breads too. I mean, it is a bakery, so. And it's be empty by the time we came in the afternoon. All this is gone. There's only like one piece of bread left. And we got this stuff here in here. You know what? They do have like a puff piece. So we are getting the Freddo, which comes up to 3. I thought Freddo was a person, but you know. Let me see. No. Enos and Enos. No. Nah. Thank you. You have it today. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to cut it off for now because I gotta carry this stuff.
So I think we're gonna stay in today. I'm not really sure. We'll see how the day goes. Say hey to Lou. Say hey, Lulu. Yeah, yes. Yeah, I know.
This book is propaganda.
What book, mate? What book is propaganda?
I love my mommy.
You be getting so tight that I'm the favorite. But anyways, I want to paint, but okay. So this is what I'm gonna say. Before I had children, I could literally knock out like a work of art in maybe 8 hours, right? But now that I have them, and I breastfeed every 2 hours, I'm realistically going to have to like start it and not be disappointed in myself if I don't finish even half of it. I just have to start it and work on like one piece throughout the week, because what I used to do where, you know, I could just knock out speed painting, it's just not possible because I'm breastfeeding so much, and it's just, you know, the kids need lunch, food, potty breaks, diaper changes, you know, even Tamon needs an occasional diaper change, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, make sure you wipe my ass.
So, yeah, so the plan is to start, I'm gonna start the painting right now. Well, I'm gonna set up all my stuff, nurse one more time, try to put her down for a nap, try to start the painting right now, and then just try to work on it throughout the week. But yeah, so I'm going to do that now, set up and all that stuff, and then look, she's already ew. That's my bad ear too. Yep, that's what you get. See, she already fussing, y'all. But you know, she be chilling when I have her strapped to me, so maybe I'll put my harness on, but it's just my back. My back has been freaking
What do you want to watch?
bloody murder. So yeah, I'm gonna figure out the best method to start this painting, and then I'll come back to you guys. Sunny's about to have some TV time, so perfect time to at least start something. Right, Lou? Lou is giving I have to poopy vibes, but don't they always have to poopy? You guys will believe the poop fiasco we had yesterday.
Oh my god. Happy Father's Day, am I right?
Talk about a shit show, okay? And yeah,
You want Dougie?
before we hop into this video, make sure you guys like and subscribe, okay? And I didn't even do the intro. So hey friends, it's Rish.
And Tamon.
And if you don't know, now you know.
Hey, y'all.